Hi guitarlings, I'm Gray at Hub Guitar, here today with another fingerstyle exercise for the plucking hand. We're going to focus on building a series of patterns using multiple permutations for the right hand to build fluency and competence at fingerstyle guitar. Today's exercise is on the upper four strings, string 4, string 3, string 2, and string 1. It is a perfectly consecutive note fingerstyle roll. So we're going to do thumb, index, middle, ring to pluck all of these notes. We're going to start with D major 7. That's going to be open 4th string, and then 2nd frets of the strings 3, 2, and 1, and you can easily accomplish that with a bar right across. This is known as a half bar because you're not going all the way across, you're just going halfway across. If you're having trouble with that bar, you can fret it with 3 different fingers. It doesn't matter. This is a plucking exercise, so please try to get to the good part right away, which is building your plucking hand fluency. So if you're having trouble with one of the chords, make a little alteration to it, or just find out a way to make it a little bit easier on yourself. So it's D major 7, and we're going to go to D dominant 7. So the C sharp in that chord drops down to C on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, just like that. So of course I've got to change my fingering all around now. I've got my middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, index finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, and ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. After that I go to a G over D. So it's a G major chord, but it's an inversion of that chord, so the note G is not on the bottom, D is on the bottom. So that's open 4th, open 3rd, open 2nd, and 3rd fret of the high E string. And then after that we go to a G minor over D, which I think you'll agree is very sad sounding. So anyways, it's D major 7, D7, G over D, and G minor over D. Now as written, you're supposed to play each of these chords one time like I just did, but because this is a right hand exercise, I think you should feel free to dwell on any chord as long as you like. You could repeat the chords 2 times or maybe 4 times or even more. So you could do something like this. Notice that I bar that G minor chord as well with my index finger. And the reason I suggest that you do that to play each chord twice or more is that we want to diminish the role of the chords themselves and enhance the role of the plucking hand, because this is a plucking exercise. So that's it for today's lesson. I hope that you'll stay tuned because I have many, many more to come exactly like this. So if you like this lesson, please subscribe, and we'll see you for the next time.